Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI MediaPad T5, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. Begin by opening Devices Settings and clicking on Device Connection right away. Following that, you need to tap on Printing, hit Default Print Service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you want to use a different service, tap on the blue sweater next to the default one. Go back, select Add Service and download the best one for you. In my case, HP one. When your app is ready, go back to the same printing settings. So when I click on it, as you can see, my printer was successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!